Okay, so last month I did this video and this video and this video. All of them did really well and they all kind of fell under the umbrella of classic literature. I gained a lot of new viewers and subscribers for those videos, and it was super exciting for me at the time because I am someone who is trying to pivot a little out of the beauty YouTuber space and focus a lot more around things that are pertaining to, you know, goal setting, self-care, reading more, all those things. We'll start. You must have heard of this book. I know you have, because I'm gonna talk about The Great Gatsby by F. Scott here. Well, I strongly believe it's his wife's name should be up here instead of this man's name. Look at the copy. That only I have kind of scratched off his name. You know why? I'll tell you why. I actually wrote this when I was in my teens, so I was very angsty and I was very expressive, but I'm still bitter about it because it's very interesting conspiracy and I totally buy into that conspiracy. In short, it goes like he pulled out big chunks of data or writings from his wife's diary and used the, you know, para to para, word to word, zero editing, without giving her credit in this book. So yeah, I mean, plus a lot of scholars believe it to be true because particularly for this book, this isn't his style of writing. And he put his wife into asylum when people got suspicious. Scholars and medias got suspicious. They were like it couple at the time. They were like Kardashians. The couple was Kardashian, like Kanye, Kim. What am I talking about? Anyway, when the word spread and a lot of people and the media started believing it to be true and wanted his wife to come forward and confirm, which she would have because she hated him at that point. He burned down the asylum she was in and his wife died. And yeah, the relationship was a huge shit show to begin with. I mean, they were both terrible people to each other at least, but still I think this dude here is probably in hell right now. Anyhow, this is my favorite book. This is set in the 1920s and it's about infamous Gatsby. Oh my god. This is set in 1920s. It's about this infamous Gatsby and the love of his life. This book is about all that. If you watch the movie, you know, but book is also really good and you can still read and enjoy the book even if you watch the movie. Writing style is just, if you want to actually start reading classic, you can read the books that you already watch movies on, so you kind of have the plot idea as well, so it will be easier. This is set in one of my absolute favorite eras. I mean, 1920s, everything beautiful. I just love the story, and my favorite part about this book is probably just discussing it with other people because people have this really differing opinion on it. I just love hearing about people talk about this book. They think so differently than I do and everyone has different thing to talk about. They focus on different chapter. I just love hearing about them and talking about it. So yeah, I'm gonna read the first sentence of this book for you guys. Oh my god, you're gonna love it. Look, I've written Swati. I love this book so much that I've written my own name on it because I didn't want to lose it. In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I have been turning over in my mind ever since. So this first sentence kind of gets you into, you know, it gives you this basic idea that okay, this person is not young, he's an adult man now, because he's talking about his younger days where he has father. He also mentions vulnerable years, so that means when he was young he probably wasn't very well off. Turning that advice in my head over and over, that means he's currently going through something that he needs to figure it out. Really clever sentence and I like the first sentence of the book. Alright, that's it. I have more videos like this. Check them out. I'll link them down below for you guys. You can just visit a playlist on my channel if you wanted. It's called book something. Subscribe and like this video. Like actually press on the thumb like icon. That will be really good, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.